We got Eric doing his Call of Duty thing. Look at him, he's murking shit. Okay, Eric, we see you, we see you. Anything you want to tell everybody? You want to tell anybody anything? Nah. Why are you being shy? Being quiet? Huh? This is why you don't give kids games like this to play. Nah, because they always think they're better than somebody and ain't whooping shit. They whoops nothing.
What am I?
What?
What am I?
Terrible.
Stab master.
You are no such thing as a stab master, my friend. He has not been a stab master since Modern Warfare 4. Call of Duty, regular Modern Warfare, the first shit.
Right down there on the corner.
He's kind of slacked off since then.
Did you up here that day that one happened?
See this shit? This is nuts, right? Dig that. Look at him, got fucked up.